Is your ROAS, aka return on advertising spend, good or bad? I'll show you how to calculate it in today's video. Before we get started, I'm going to be showing you right here that our ROAS is 10.25, which is considered extremely good. And I'm going to be going over that. So we spent $154 and we made $1,578. So we know ads, and that's going to help you. Okay, so for ROAS, the higher the better, right? So the higher your ROAS, the better. You just saw ours was 10. So we have an amazing ROAS. This is what the experts try to achieve and maintain, is a 3.44 or higher. A good ROAS is 2.0 to 3.43. Bad is 1 to 1.99. And anything below 1, you're definitely losing money no matter what. And it's okay. Now, we're going to go over. Now for the next slide, what is ROAS? It's return on ad spend, right? So it's pretty much similar to ROI. If you ever heard somebody like, what's your ROI? What's your return on investment? What's our R? It's pretty much very similar. What's your ROI when spending money on ads, right? So it's ad spend divided by ad revenue times 100. That's pretty much the calculation. So if you spend $100 and you make 1,000, so you spend ad spends 100, ad revenue is 1,000, then it's 10 ROAS. So if I give you $100 and you give me $1,000 back, that's 10 ROAS. That's pretty darn good. If I give you $1 and you give me $100, that's 100 ROAS, which is again unheard of. But you can achieve. You saw me achieve the 10. I'm sure it's possible to achieve 100, but it's got to be very difficult. But again, that's ROAS, a little breakdown for you. Now, when you first start running ads, it's not going to be the best. Your ROAS is probably going to be bad, or it's going to be good, right? But usually you're going to be in the bad category, and that's fine. You just don't want to be in the very bad category. You're a beginner, so you're learning. So remember, it's okay in the beginning. But once you start learning and you're optimizing your ads, you want to make sure that you're in the good ROAS and maintaining that. If you're not able to do that, then you need to do more research and figure out what's going on and how to improve your ROAS. Once you're an expert, you should be able to achieve 3.44, maybe even 10 ROAS, just like we did. And then, of course, the best way to improve ROAS is going to be improving your listing. So the first thing is like your listing. So if we look at these water guns, this one has tons of photos, right? It's got Amazon's choice. It's selling for $23.99 compared to this water gun that's not optimized at all. If you're running ads towards a product that's not optimized, you are not going to get the ROAS that you want. Your Amazon ads are not going to convert well. I can promise that. Okay, people are going to click on this. It looks cool, right? But it's just way overpriced. It doesn't have any details. I don't know how it works. I don't know if it comes with a box, right? So they're going to be clicking on this ad instead of yours, and they're going to be generating a lot more sales. So make sure you go through a checklist to improve that. And of course, here's the average ROAS per category. Of course, you want to be better than average. But if you're in health and personal care, right, the ROAS is only 1.67 to 2.5, right? Because it's so competitive. So just be aware of that. There are certain categories that are more competitive than others, but these are just kind of the average ROAS compared to each category. But that's it for today's video. I hope this helped you calculate ROAS. Do you focus more on ROAS or ROAS or ACoS? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon advertising management. This is where we're going to be managing your ads, and if you want us to, we can also optimize your listings so that way they convert better and you get an ROAS that meets your goals very quickly. The benefit of this service is we're going to be doing all the optimization of your ads. We're even going to be telling you what to do to optimize your listings because our team goes through a checklist that's more detailed than this to make sure your listing is optimized so you're converting right from the get. But that's it. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.